Dear viewers, welcome to our channel GVS Bank Account. Today, now I am going to discuss about certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit. This is the Master Direction, Reserve Bank of India Certificate of Deposit Directions 2021. It was yesterday dated 4/6/2021. It was changed only yesterday, that is 4/6/2021. So this is very important for all the examinations for the coming up to 1 year or 2 years, because certificate of deposit is one of the money market instrument. That's why this is very important for all the participants for JAB, CAB, all scales, all bank promotion examination, and for the interviews also. That's why we are making an effort for informing all the people. Now, the definition for certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit is a negotiable instrument, means it can be transferable. Negotiable means transferable. Unsecured, there was no security, underlying security for certificate of deposit. It is a money market instrument. Money market instrument means maximum 1 year. Money market means maximum 1 year. Regulated by RBI. Money market is regulated RBI. That is called as money market instrument. Issued by a bank. Normally, certificate of deposit issued by a bank has a usance promissory note, because it is a time period is there. That's why that is called as usance promissory note against funds deposited at the bank for a maturity period up to 1 year. So, under certificate of deposits, banks are issuing usance promissory note to the depositor of the certificate of deposit. That's why this is the usance promissory. Sometimes these two lines they are asking for questions. But certificate of deposit issued in the form of usance promissory note. Certificate of deposit is a unsecured money market instrument. Okay, this is the and certificate of deposit maximum issuance period is 1 year. Now, one more question they are asking. One, certificate of deposit may be issued by who are going to issue the certificate of deposit. These are the commercial banks. Certificate of deposit may be issued by commercial banks. Normally, banks are issuing certificate of deposit. Regional rural banks. Now, it was recently allowed. Earlier, regional rural banks are not allowed. As for these guidelines, 4th June 2021 guidelines, regional rural banks are also allowed to issue certificate of deposits. So that's why this is specially marked as regional rural banks are presently allowed. Previously, it is not allowed. Small finance banks also can issue certificate of deposit. The All India Financial Institutions, All India Financial Institution can issue certificate of deposit within the overall umbrella limit prescribed by RBI for the financial institution. For the financial institutions, the borrowing limit fixed by RBI, that is called as umbrella limit. Normally based on the net worth this limit. For commercial banks, for regional rural banks and small finance banks, there is no limit for issuance of CD. Commercial banks, regional rural banks, small finance banks, there is no limit for the issuance amount under certificate of deposit. This is point number 1. To second point, eligible investors to whom the bank can issue. To all persons resident in India, the certificate of deposit it can issue. To all the resident Indians, it can issue the certificate of deposit. General guidelines, primary issuance. CD shall be issued only in DMAT, electronic form or dematerialized form, electronic. Now, CD shall be issued in minimum denomination of 5 lakhs and in multiples of 5 lakhs. So, CD earlier the denomination is 1 lakh and in multiples of 1 lakh. Now, presently they changed it. CDs shall be issued in a minimum denomination of 5 lakhs and in multiples of 5 lakhs. So, this is a very important point in this discussion. Face value or minimum denomination of the certificate of deposit is 5 lakhs and in multiples of 5 lakhs. The period, the tenor of CD at issuance shall not be less than 7 days. So, minimum borrowing period or minimum issuance period of certificate of deposit 7 years and shall not be exceed 1 year. So, minimum 1 year issuance period, maximum up to 1 year. Minimum 7 days, maximum up to 1 year. This is also important point. The tenor of CD issuance minimum 7 days and maximum up to 1 year. The CD shall be issued on a T plus 1 trading day plus 1 basis, where T represents the date of closure of the offer period and settlement. Suppose today the bank is issuing certificate of deposit, payment is tomorrow. That is the offer period. T plus 1 means settlement. After the date of the closure, issue date, next day the settlement is going to be taken place. This is the general guidelines primary issue. Out of this, one most important point is CDs, certificate of deposits, shall be issued in minimum denomination of 5 lakhs and in multiples of 5 lakhs. Most important point, and minimum period of issuance is 7 days and maximum up to 1 year. Discount coupon rate. CDs may be issued at discount to the face value. Now this question they are asking in the examination, certificate of deposit issued at discount to the face value. On the maturity date, the bank is going to pay the face value of the certificate of deposit. That is, this question they are asking in the examination. What is the question? CDs may be issued at discount to the face value. On the date of maturity, the investor will get the face value issued price of the certificate of deposit. That question. Now, CDs may also issued at a fixed rate of interest or floating rate interest basis also they are allowed to issue. That is it. Primary issuance. When a bank is issuing, initially primary issuance of CD shall be reported by the issuing bank to the FTRAC system of CCIL, to the trade repository system FTRAC of CCIL by 5:30 on the same day. The issuing bank, after issuing completion of the issue, same day by 5:30 p.m., they have to report to FTRAC of CCIL. That is called trade repository. This 5:30. And 6, secondary market, trading volumes and settlement. CDs, certificate of deposit, shall be traded either on the over the counter, over the counter bids between two organizations or two entities or two individuals, or including electronic trade forum or recognized stock exchanges with the approval of Reserve Bank. So now it is going to be traded either OTC or exchange traded. The settlement cycle of OTC trades between two counterparties, either on same day or T plus 0 means on the same day, trade day plus. T plus 1 means trading day plus 1 day or next day. T means trade day. This is the settlement cycle. And all secondary market transactions in certificate of deposit shall be settled on a delivery versus payment DPV1. Delivery versus payment or DVP1. DVP1 means settlement gross basis and fund settlement also gross basis. Both are funds and securities and funds are gross basis. DVP, delivery versus payment 1. Sometimes they are asking 1 or 2 times. This question was also asked in the various examination. All secondary market transaction in certificate of deposit shall be settled on a delivery versus payment. DVP1 means settlement of funds, settlement of securities, both are on gross basis. Loan against certificate of deposits. Banks are not allowed to grant loans against certificate of deposits unless specifically permitted by the Reserve Bank of India. Then only. Otherwise, normally banks are not allowed to grant loan against certificate of deposits. This is loan. Buyback of CD. This is change, latest change. Buyback of certificate or deposit can be made only 7 days from the date of issuance of the CD. So buyback is permitted only 7 days after the date of issue. Earlier, this feature was not there. This certificate of deposit buyback was not allowed as per 2016 guidelines. Now, as per the 21 guidelines, now buyback of CD can be made. Buyback means taking back, buying back by the bank itself can be made only 7 days after the date of issue of CD. So, this is also in the coming examinations. Chances are there for this question also. Whether buyback of CD is allowed? Yes, allowed. After how many days? 7 days after the date of issuance. That is the answer. The buyback offer shall be made to all investors in a particular CD. The investor shall have the option to accept the buyback or reject. That is depends upon the investor. Buyback of CD shall be at the prevailing market prices only. CD is bought back partially or full. It shall be extinguished. It means it cannot be issued further. So that is going to be cancelled. That is there. Details of the buyback of CD shall be reported to the issuer of the FTRAC. By the issuer means by the bank to FTRAC system platform by 5:30 p.m. on the date of buyback. So whatever the issuance particulars, buyback particulars are going to be reported to FTRAC. This is the trade repository. So at a central platform, all the details are going to be maintained. That's why FTRAC system is maintained by CCL. So on the date of buyback, by 5:30 p.m., they have to report to FTRAC system of CCL by 5:30. Reserve requirements, point number 9. Banks have to maintain appropriate reserve requirements of CRR and SLR on certificate of deposits on the issue price. On the issue price, the banks has to maintain cash reserve ratio and statutory liquidity ratio. This is the reserve requirement. This question also they are asking. Now, 10th point, all secondary market transactions. All secondary traded transactions executed on OTC market or on the recognized stock exchanges shall be reported with timestamp within 15 minutes of the execution. So after completion of OTC trade transaction, within 15 minutes, the time when the price is agreed, time and price, execution price on the FTRAC platform of CCL by each counterparty. Buyer has to report and seller has to report what particulars, at what time the trade was executed and what is the price. So agreed. So these are the common particulars. All secondary market transactions, they have to report to FTRAC system within 15 minutes of execution with the execution time and price. They have to report to FTRAC. This is the sometimes in some higher cadre examination, promotion examinations, they are asking this question. All secondary market transactions executed in OTC market and or on the recognized stock exchange in CD shall be reported with timestamp. Timestamp within 15 minutes of execution, the time when price is agreed on the FTRAC platform of CC. This is the dear viewers. This is a brief presentation about the certificate of deposit guidelines issued on that is 4th June 2021. Whatever the earlier guidelines are there, so in that guidelines the new guidelines are given by our regulator. So thank you very much for watching our channel. This certificate of deposit, very useful topic for JAB, CAB and all scales promotion exams. All scales, all banks promotion examination and for the interview also. Thank you very much for all for watching our channel.